If DNA strand is G, C, T, A, T, G, G, messenger RNA strand synthesized from it would be option A, B, C, or D. The correct option is option A. G, C, G, C, T, A, A, U, A, T, G, C, and G, C. MCQ number 2. Which of one of the following condition best describe the active membrane potential? Option A, outside all positive, inside neurons negative. Outside one positive, one negative, inside one positive, one negative. Outside and inside all are positive, outside negative, and inside neurons will be positive. The correct option is option D. MCQ number 3. Tissue rejection is executed by option A, both B and T lymphocytes. Option B, B lymphocytes. Option C, monocytes. Option D, T lymphocytes. The correct option is option D, T lymphocyte. MCQ number 4. Which of the following statement best describe the function of senatorial node? Option A, it sends out electrical impulses to the ventricle to contract. B, it is present at upper end of left atrium. Option C, it consists of small number of diffusely oriented cardiac fibers. Option D, it sends out electrical impulses to atrial muscles causing both atria to contract. The correct option is option D, it sends out electrical impulses to atrial muscles causing both atria to contract. MCQ number 5. A central cavity of kidney where urine is collected after filtration is known as ureter, urethra, pelvis, urinary bladder. The correct option is option C, pelvis. MCQ number 6. Aldosterone play role in transport of water. B, uptake of sodium in lobe of Henle, transport of K plus ion into kidney, reabsorption of water. The correct option is option B, uptake of sodium in lobe of Henle. MCQ number 7. Technique used for non-surgical removal of kidney stone is called ultrasound, dialysis, lithotripsy, or X-rays. The correct option is option C, lithotripsy. MCQ number 8. Macrocephaly, the small size skull, is due to nutritional cause, hormonal cause, skeleton damage, or genetic defect. The correct option is option D, it is due to genetic defect. MCQ number 9. The joints that allow movement in several directions are the hinge joints, fibrous joints, ball and socket joints, cartilaginous joints. The correct option is option C, ball and socket joints. MCQ number 10. The collagen fibers of bone are hardened by deposit of calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, calcium oxalate, calcium bicarbonate. The correct option is option A, calcium phosphate. MCQ number 11. Which of the following neurotransmitter lies outside the central nervous system? Serotonin, acetylcholine, dopamine, or adrenaline. The correct option is option B, acetylcholine. MCQ number 12. Which hormonal pair shares a common hypothalamic releasing factor? STH and LH, FSH and STH, ACTH and LH, FSH and LH. The correct option is option D. FSH and LH. MCQs number 13. Which of the following will happen if fertilization does not occur? Option A. Menopause start. B. FSH secretion is increased. C. Corpus luteum degenerates. D. Progesterone secretion is increased. The correct option is option C. Corpus luteum degenerate. MCQs number 14. Newborn infants may acquire serious eye infection if her mother has. Option A is genital herpes, B is gonorrhea, C is AIDS, D is syphilis. The correct option is option B. MCQs number 15. At the cephalic end of primitive streak, closely packed cell from local thickening known as Hansen node, primitive ridge, gastrocole, primitive gut. The correct option is option A, Hansen's node. MCQs number 16. In plants, the red light of favors. Option A, enhancement of cell differentiation. Option B, maturation of the cell. Option C, elongation of cells. Option D, enhancement of cell division. The correct option is option C, elongation of cells. MCQs number 17. The reaction between the phosphate group of one nucleotide and hydroxyl group of another is synthesized in DNA molecules. Dehydration, oxidation, rehydration or reduction reaction are present. The correct option is option A, dehydration occur. MCQs number 18. Enzyme which attach the Okazaki fragment in lagging strand is called. Option A, restriction endonuclease. B, DNA helicase. C, primase. D, DNA ligase. The correct option is option D. DNA ligase is attached with Okazaki fragment in lagging strand. MCQs number 19. In phenylketonuria, phenylalanine is not degraded because of defective enzymes. Option A, phenylalanine hydrogenase. B, phenylalanine hydroxylase. C, phenylalanine phosphate. Option D, none of these. The correct option is option B, phenylalanine hydroxylase. MCQs number 20. Males with XXY chromosomes suffer from Klinefelter syndromes, Down syndromes, Jacobs syndrome or Edwards syndrome. The correct option is option A. MCQs number 21. Internal program of events and sequences of morphological changes by which cells commit a suicide is collectively called necrosis, metastasis, epistasis or apoptosis. The correct option is option D, apoptosis. MCQs number 22. Phragmoplast is formed from vessels which originate from smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi complex or rough endoplasmic reticulum. The correct option is option C, Golgi complex. MCQs number 23. When phenotype of heterozygote is in between the phenotype of both homozygote parents, it is called incomplete dominance, pleiotropy, epistasis, codominance. The correct option is option A, incomplete dominance. MCQs number 24. Which one of correct with RH plus blood will produce anti-RH antibodies of given RHA blood? B. RHA plus antigen are present on red blood cells. C. Cannot produce anti-RH antibodies in any case. Option D. RHA plus antibodies are present in blood. The correct option is option B. RHA plus antigens are present on red blood cells. MCQs number 25. Temperature insensitive thermostable enzyme used in PCR is DNA polymerase 1, DNA ligase, DNA polymerase 3 or tag polymerase. The correct option is option D. Tag polymerase are used in PCR. MCQs number 26. Cloning is form of parthenogenesis, sexual reproduction, apomixis, asexual production. The correct option is option D, asexual reproduction. MCQs number 27. Antigen to treat non-Hodgkin's lymphoma are produced by wheat plant, tobacco plant, rice plant or corn plant. The correct option is option B, tobacco plants. MCQs number 28. The survival of an organism during struggle for existence is not random but depend on its genetic constitution, its ability to overproduce, its ability to acquire character, its ability to overeat. The correct option is option A, its genetic constitution. MCQs number 29. Evolutionary relationship amongst species are reflected in their DNA and proteins, DNA and gene, RNAs and protein, DNA and RNAs. The correct option is option A, DNA and proteins. MCQs number 30. If all the membranes of populations are homozygous for same allele, the allele is said to be random in populations pool, random in species, fixed in population pool, fixed in gene pool. The correct option is option D, fixed in gene pool. MCQs number 31. Diseases in living organisms which are caused by parasites are called disinfestations, infections, antisepsis, infestations. The correct option is our option D, infestations. MCQs number 32. The nutrient cycles are also called biogeochemical cycle, bioelement cycle, biochemical cycle, geochemical cycle. The correct option is option A, biogeochemical cycles. MCQs number 33. The productivity of aquatic ecosystem is determined by water, light and nutrients, just nutrients. The correct option is option C, both light and nutrients are required. MCQs number 34. What is drawback of nuclear energy? It causes radiation pollution. It is very expensive. It is not long lasting. It pollutes the air. The correct option is option A. It causes radiation pollution. MCQs number 35. Arteriosclerosis is a metabolic disorder, an infectious disorder, a degenerative disorder, a nutritional deficiency disorder. The correct option is option C, a degenerative disorder. MCQs number 36. Antibiotic act against bacterial disease, bacterial and viral disease, allergies or viral diseases. The correct option is option A, bacterial diseases. MCQs number 37. Immediate source of energy for cellular metabolism is lipid, carbohydrates, ATP, or proteins. The correct option is option C, ATP. MCQs number 38. Hemoglobin exhibit secondary structure, quaternary structure, primary structure, or tertiary structure. The correct option is option B, quaternary structure. MCQs number 39. Pepsin enzyme is produced in an inactive form and is activated in situation when it is required because option A, not produced in complete form. B, it does not work efficiently at that time. C, quite capable of destroying cells' internal structure. D, none of above. The correct option is option C, quite capable of destroying cell internal structure. MCQs number 40. Enzyme after catalysis detaches itself from the product completely, changed, incompletely, or unchanged. The correct option is option D, unchanged. MCQs number 41. A group of ribosomes attached to messenger RNA is known as ribosome, nucleosome, lysosome, or polysome. The correct option is option D, polysome. MCQs number 42. Detoxification of harmful drugs within the cells is done by option A, nucleolus, B, ribosomes, C, smooth surface endoplasmic reticulum, D, food vacuoles. The correct option is option C, smooth surface endoplasmic reticulum. MCQs number 43. Tay-Sachs disease is due to presence of an enzyme that is involved in catabolism of proteins, ascorbic acid, carbohydrates, or lipids. The correct option is option D, lipids. MCQs number 44. What is true about pattern baldness? It is autosomal recessive disease in males. It is X-linked disease. It is autosomal dominant disease in males. It is Y-linked disease. The correct option is option C. It is autosomal dominant disease in males. MCQs number 45. Symptoms of herpes simplex is abdominal pain, vesicular lesions in epithelial layer, fever, failure of immune system. The correct option is option B. MCQs number 46. The major cell infected by HIV is leukocytes, helper T lymphocytes, monocyte, or B lymphocyte. The correct option is option B, helper T lymphocyte. MCQs number 47. Are used as important vector in genetic engineering. Ribosomes, nucleoids, plasmid, or mesosomes. The correct option is option C. It is plasmid. MCQs number 48. Which of the following is aerobic bacterium? Spirochete, E. coli, cyanobacteria, Pseudomonas. The correct option is option D. It is Pseudomonas. MCQs number 49. Agent amoeba inhabit mud at bottom of freshwater ponds and obtain energy from macroscopic bacteria. B. anaerobic bacteria, C. Aerobic bacteria, D. Methanogenic bacteria. The correct option is option D. Methanogenic bacteria. MCQs number 50. Large group of parasitic protozoa, some of which cause various diseases such as malaria to human or Apicomplexans, Annelida, Platyhelminthes or arthropods. The correct option is option A. Apicomplexans. MCQs number 51. Penicillin is obtained from Penicillium notatum, Aspergillus fumigatus, Aspergillus flavus, Penicillium chrysogenum. The correct option is option A. Penicillium notatum. MCQs number 52. Which of the following component is more resistant to decay? Lignin, chitin, starch or cellulose? The correct option is option B. Chitin. MCQs number 53. Are bioindicator of air pollution? A. Cyanobacteria, B. Mycorrhiza, C. Fungi, D. Lichens. The correct option is option D. Lichens. MCQs number 55. The gymnosperms are called naked-seeded plants because they are bare-naked antheridia, fruits, ovules or archeogonia. The correct option is option C. Ovules. MCQs number 56. The integumented indentions megaspringium is called seed, archeogonium, megametophyte or ovule. The correct option is option D. It is called ovule. MCQs number 56. Pulses are present in family Chiazelphinacea, Graminea, Fabaceae or Mimosae. The correct option is option C. Fabaceae. MCQs number 57. It is an endoparasite humans, cattle and pig that completes its life cycle in two hosts, tapeworms, liver fluke, Urelia and planaria. The correct option is option A. Tapeworms. MCQs number 58. Testifly cause the sleeping sickness and skin diseases by transmitting Plasmodium, Anopheles, Trypanosoma or insects. The correct option is option C. Trypanosoma. MCQs number 59. Column is cavity lined by mesoderm, epiderm, endoderm or ectoderm. The correct option is option A. Mesoderm. MCQs number 60. Which of the following molecule is reduced by accepting hydrogen in Calvin cycle? Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, 3-phosphoglycerate, ribulose biphosphate, 1,3-bis-phosphoglycerate. The correct option is option D. 1,3-bis-phosphoglycerate. MCQs number 61. The molecule formed after first phosphorylation during glycolysis is fructose 6-phosphate, glucose 1-phosphate, fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, glucose 6-phosphate. The correct option is option D. Glucose 6-phosphate. MCQs number 62. Special ring of muscles that junction between esophagus and the stomach called cardiac sphincter, esophageal sphincter, Leucolytic sphincter or pyloric sphincter? The correct option is option A. Cardiac sphincter. MCQ number 63. Krebs cycle is mitochondria takes place in cytosol, outer membrane, matrix or inner membrane. The correct option is option C. Matrix. MCQ number 64. Hepatic and pancreatic secretion are also stimulated by hormones called gastrin, insulin, secretin and glucagon. The correct option is option C. Secretin. MCQ number 65. Like pepsin, trypsin is also secreted as an inactive trypsinogen which is activated by introkinase, chyme, lipase or erepsin. The correct option is option enterokinase. MCQ number 66. During photorespiration, the glycolate is converted into glycogen in structure of cell called Golgi bodies, mitochondria, glycosomes or peroxisomes. The correct option is option D. Peroxisome. MCQ number 67. The respiratory pigments which has much higher affinity to combine with oxygen is hemoglobin, myoglobin, globin or hemocyanin. The correct option is option B. Myoglobin. MCQ number 68. The most of the carbon dioxide is carried out in blood in the form of bicarbonate, carbon dioxide, carboxyhemoglobin, blood plasma protein. The correct option is option A. Bicarbonate. MCQ number 69. Antibodies are actually globular protein, fibrous protein or glycoprotein or glycolipids. The correct option is option A. Globular protein. MCQ number 70. Heparin prevents blood clot and it is released by eosinophils, neutrophils, monocytes or basophils. The correct option is option D. Basophils.